Buenos días, estudiantes. ¿Cómo están? I hope everybody is still doing great. Vamos a comenzar. Buenos días, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y cómo te vas? ¿Cómo te vas? All right. Now, in our last class, we were looking at el alfabeto. And we were looking at letters A to J in Spanish, and we also practiced spelling some words in Spanish. Before we go into our lesson today, let's quickly recap before we begin. Let's begin with las vocales, the vowels. Now, we sang a song, we know a song, and it goes like this. Each Spanish vowel has one sound, and this is how it goes. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, and this is how it goes. Now that song is used to help you to remember how to say the vowels in Spanish. So we would say A, E, I, O, U. Now apart from that, we did the letters of the alphabet and we stopped at letter J. So let's see if we can say the letters of the alphabet, and we're going to stop at J. So let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Remember, G is G like an H. G. Then it's H. The H is silent. H, I, J. J is J. The J this time is silent. So we stopped at letter J in our last class, and today we're going to be doing 10 more letters in an alphabet, and we're going to stop at letter T. So before we do that, let's see if we can say the letters of the alphabet in English. Let's sing our alphabet song in English, and then we're going to watch a video together. All right? So the letters of the alphabet are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. We all know our ABCs, so next time won't you sing with me? All right, now one more thing I wanted to do before we watch the video to introduce us to the other letters we're going to be learning today is we're going to see if we can spell just 4 of the words that you got for your activity last time. So you got the word dice. Dice in Spanish would be spelled D, I, C, E. Number 2, numero dos, was had. So that was H, A, D. Numero 3, number 3 was fed. So that's F, E, D. And numero 4 was the word feed. So that would be spelled F, E, D. Bien. So what I'll do now is I'll allow you to pause this video, and you're going to be watching the video that is on your activity sheets to sing the alphabet song for you in Spanish. I want you to look at your first activity sheet, or you can look on the screen, and you're going to look at the letters, and you're going to be singing along with the video so you can practice saying the letters of the alphabet in Espanol. And today we're stopping at letter T, letra T. So I'll give you a few moments, and then you can come back and finish the lesson with me, okay? All right. So I hope you enjoyed the song and you were singing along while they were saying the letters of the alphabet. Now I'm going to go through the letters of the alphabet in Espanol, starting from K, and we're stopping at T today. I'm going to go through it a bit slower so that those who may not have caught on to the song saying the letters properly, you can get it now, okay? So we're at letter K, and K is Ka. Repitan. K is Ka. K is Ka. K is Ka. Now we're moving on to, where am I? K. Oh, we're at L. So L is L. L is L. L is L. L is L. Now we're down at the letter M. These are actually very easy to remember. We're at letter M, and M is M. M is M. M is M. N is N. N is N. N is N. Then we have O, which we already know. O is O. O is O. O is O. P is P. P is P. P is P. Now Q is Q. Q is Q. Like cook. Q is Q. R is R. R is R. R is R. S is S. S is S. S is S. And T is T. T is T. T is T. Let's go through them one more time. Una vez más. K is K. K is K. L is L. L is L. M is M. M is M. N is N. N is N. O is O. O is O. P is P. P is P. Q is Q. Q is Q. R is R. R is R. S is S. S is S. T is T. T is T. So una vez más. We're just going to say the Spanish letters now. So let's go. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Otra vez, one more time. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So from K it's K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. And remember, we're stopping at T today. Now, remember I also informed you that the Spanish alphabet has 27 letters but 30 different sounds. You're going to learn, well, you're going to notice in one of our later classes that we have another N. The N that you normally see in the word español or señorita, it's the letter N. And you're going to find out that there are more letters like those that are not included in the alphabet that we're doing right now. So those are some of the different sounds and the different letters we're going to go through at a later time. But right now, what I want to do is to remind you of this question. And the question is, ¿Cómo se deletreas tu nombre? ¿Cómo se deletreas tu nombre? Now, what could Señorita be asking? All right, first, I ask, ¿Cómo te llamas? What is your name? Me llamo Señorita. My name is Señorita. And if I ask, ¿Cómo se deletreas tu nombre? I want to ask you, how do you spell your name? So it's ¿Cómo se deletreas tu nombre? The question is actually on your paper, so you can look at it and read along. ¿Cómo se deletreas tu nombre? ¿Cómo se deletreas tu nombre? ¿Cómo se deletreas tu nombre? Hola, estudiantes. Hola, señorita. Hola, Raúl. Now, Raúl is going to be helping me today to do some spelling, but I'm firstly going to ask him to spell this word for me. And the first word is the word off. Now, Raúl, ¿cómo se deletreas la palabra off? How do you spell the word off in Spanish? Okay. O, F, F. Off. Muy bien, es correcto. So, off would be O, F, F. O, F, F, O, O, F, F, off. Now, could you spell another one for me?
Sí, señorita.
Okay, so the word I'm going to give you to spell the next one is the word tail. The word is tail. For instance, the tail of a crocodile, the tail of a pig, the tail of a dog.
Okay, señorita. T, A, I, L.
Muy bien. Could you spell it one more time for me?
Sí, señorita. T, A, I, L.
Muy bien. So that's how you would spell the word tail in Spanish. Now, Raul, could you spell one more for me, por favor?
Sí, señorita.
Okay. Can you spell the word girl in Spanish?
Girl. Okay. G, I, R, L.
Muy bien. Otra vez, por favor. One more time, please.
Sure, señorita. Sí, señorita. G, I, R, L.
Muy bien. Muy bien. Now, I'm going to give you one more. It's the word rice. Now, lots of you might like rice. You might like it with the rice and peas, or you may like just the plain rice, and you add some chicken to that. I want Raul to spell the word rice for me. ¿Cómo se deletreas la palabra rice? How do you spell the word rice?
R, I, C, E. Rice.
Muy bien. Now, I think I'm going to give you just a few more. Is that okay?
Sí, señorita.
Muy bien. Gracias for helping. So the next one is the word hand. Can you spell the word for hand for me?
Sí, señorita. H, A, N, D. Hand.
Muy bien. Could you spell it una vez más, one more time?
Sí, señorita.
And students, you can look on your activity sheets for the letters that we're going through to spell the words, so you can familiarize yourself with them some more if you want to. So, Raul, could you spell the word hand for me otra vez, por favor?
Sí, señorita. H, A, N, D. Hand.
Muy bien. Now, can you spell the word talk? ¿Cómo se deletreas la palabra talk? How do you spell the word talk? Because I know you like to talk a lot.
T, A, L, K. Talk.
Muy bien. Otra vez, por favor.
T, A, L, K.
Muy bien, Raúl. Now, I tres más. There are three more that I want you to help me to spell, okay?
Sí, señorita.
Now, the first one is desk. How do you spell the word desk? ¿Cómo se deletreas la palabra desk?
D, E, S, K. Desk.
Otra vez, por favor.
D, E, S, K.
Muy bien. And that's the word desk. Now, two more. Dos más. And this one is the word chair. Could you spell the word chair for me, please?
Sí, señorita. C, H, A, I, R.
Muy bien. Otra vez, por favor.
C, H, A, I, R. Chair.
Muy bien. Y hay una más. There's one more. And this is the word people. Could you spell the word people for me, por favor?
Sí, señorita. P, E, O, P, L, E. People.
Una vez más, por favor.
P, E, O, P, L, E. People.
Muy bien. Un aplausito para Raúl. An applause for Raul, por favor. Muy bien, Raul. Bien hecho. Good job. So, I hope that you were able to follow along with your activity sheets with the letters for the Spanish alphabet. If not, you know, you can rewind and come back again and listen to Raul spell the words, and you can spell them with him. Now, what I'm going to be doing now, we're going to go through the Spanish alphabet one more time, una vez más, and then on your activity sheets, you're going to practice spelling those words using the Spanish alphabet. So these letters right here, letters A to T in Espanol, all the words have letters that we have covered today and that we have covered in our last class. So none of the words should have any letters that you're not familiar with, okay? So let's go through them. A is A, B is B, C is C, D is D, E is E, F is F, G is H, H is H, I is E, J is J, remember that one? J, K is K, L is L, M is M, N is N, O is O, P is P, Q is Q, R is R, S is S, and T is T. And if you want, you can also go back to the video that I sent you and you can listen to the song one more time as you practice spelling these words, all right? So this is where I leave you for today. Remember, if I ask, ¿Cómo se deletreas tu nombre? I want to find out, how do you spell your name? Now, you can spell your name using the letters of the Spanish alphabet. We haven't completed all the letters of the alphabet just yet, but as soon as we're through, everybody should be able to spell their own names in Espanol using the Spanish alphabet, all right? So for now, we're going to sing Adios, 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 means goodbye. Adios, 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 means goodbye. Adios, 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 means
Goodbye.
adios, estudiantes.
Adios.